Dang, he did it right.
Take picture.
Sheesh.
Wow. Take picture.
What is up, Weekenders? I'm Corbin. Welcome to my channel, and we are back out here at United by Bronco 2024, and we are going to be doing Wayne's World today. I'm just going to be tagging along because unfortunately my Bronco is still broken. I know, bummer, but I'll be riding along. I'm going to get a bunch of good footage for you guys. Wayne's World is a 6, I believe. It has a bunch of good obstacles. I've done it before, a bunch of good waterfalls, so it should be pretty fun. We have a nice big group, and so yeah. Let's go do Wayne's World. I'm gonna jump in with some people and let's have an awesome trail day out here, United by Bronco 2024.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Heck yeah. So this trail has a lot of like waterfall features. It's a lot of just like climbing up over little ledges, that kind of stuff. It looks more intimidating than it is difficult, but there are some spots where you really need to kind of bump it up and get it up and over, but it's a fun trail though.
Actually, make that. Is that what you did? I did it before, but I did it on that side.
Big deep ledge right there, huh?
As you come up, just straighten it up. Yeah, I got it. Yep, there you go. Camera, maybe there's something. There you go. There you go. You can take it a tiny bit faster, just so it'll bite on that right side. Get a little bump there, go.
Nice, dude. Nice job.
I had to give mine a little harder bump. Actually, you're pretty good there. You come and straighten her up. Straighten her up. There you go. That's
See how the Raptor does here.
Slow. Is that an M1?
See, that's why I don't like bumpers that stick out really far. It kind of takes away from your approach angle.
Yeah, why is that smoking?
Dude, this thing's smoking bad, like not good.
Hey, as you come up, come toward driver just a little. Driver, a little more driver. A little more. Keep coming, a little more driver. A little more driver. A lot more driver. Oh, he's got it though. Keep coming.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, he's got a lot of smoke going on.
Keep
I
going.
don't know if that's
Right
fuel
there,
or oil.
A little bump from right there.
Whoa. No, I need to come more this way, towards me.
Stop right there. Take it a little past.
What do you think that smells like, oil or fuel?
Oh, it's definitely,
Listen, as you
definitely
pump,
oil.
come on, start to go driver.
We parked
Down
on
the
that
line, just
wall.
let it go.
There you go. Huh.
Good fix out of that one.
Okay, so we got another tie rod broken. I just totally missed it. He just kind of like sent it up that wall, and yeah, so he just broke his tie rod. Not good. He kind of like bumped it up over that wall that I just filmed. I didn't get it on video, but yeah, he when he came up over, he like came back down and broke his tie rod, so not good. Oh, you bent it.
Dang, he did it right.
I'm actually surprised it didn't break. It just kind of bent it. Pretty impressive.
No, but I think we're gonna take off.
All right, tie rod is fixed and we're continuing. Big waterfalls. It's like 4 waterfalls that go up there. They're pretty big too. See, there goes one. Oh yeah, like a glove.
A little bit. Right there, yeah. Now start to
Cut.
come toward me.
Yep,
Driver,
cut it.
driver, driver hard now.
Cut it, cut it.
Hard, 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 hard. Hard driver, hard driver. How are we looking over there? Hard driver. You guys good over there? Okay, keep going. Just like you're doing. You got it, you got it, you got it. Now straighten up. Straighten up. Right there. Follow the line over there to the left. No, no, stay straight, bro. Stay straight, straight. There you go. Yeah.
There you go.
Driver. There you go. How's that?
Nice
boys?
job.
Driver.
Sorry guys, I keep missing this. He was trying to climb up this little hole right there and his front CV just gave out. It popped literally all the ball bearings, just rolled out. So, another one.
I don't have one big enough in there.
What's it looking like?
That's all I got.
It's looking like I have
Easy to take one off. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at the balls.
Dan's trophy.
Nice.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
We got it.
It popped.
same size. Y'all got it?
Let me see it, Walt. Dang.
Orange. Take picture.
Sheesh.
Take picture.
Oh my God.
The one and only Rocinante. Clean that up, put it on your shelf.
How do you feel about that?
Tim Cup.
Yep.
If you ain't.
Okay, CV is just about replaced. Yeah, completely exploded that inside bucket for the CV. Pretty impressive. I haven't really seen it done like that before, so yeah, I don't know, but we're gonna continue on. Dude, this is pretty impressive. Yeah, I know we're at a Bronco event. This guy is friends with a bunch of Bronco owners. This actually has a YouTube channel, Downtown Lost. Check it out. It's pretty cool. So out here sending it on a pretty hard trail in a relatively stock truck on 35. These things are brand new. Dude, nice. Heck yeah, dude. It's a pretty big obstacle. I mean, just for scale. I mean, it's about 8 feet tall, 10 feet. The trick here is you gotta take it super wide, like he is. He might not even be wide enough. And then you've gotta cut it super close to that wall, or else your tire will fall in this hole right here. But I think he's good. I think you're good. Nah, it's just kind of bumpy on the other side. Yeah. Super impressive.
If he just puts a little hitch skid in there. Oh, he said doesn't have it.
And all right, guys, there we go. That is a wrap for Wayne's World. Clearly, we had a little bit of issues. We had a broken tie rod and a broken CV. Nothing we can't overcome. I mean, pretty simple brakes, honestly. Stuff that the Bronco is known for, and unfortunately, we just kind of living with at the moment until people, you know, start coming up with really good upgrades. I mean, there are good upgrades out there, but not everyone has those. So, but everyone still had a good time. We're out there having a good time, making the most of it. It's a fun trail. If you're ever out here, go ahead, do Wayne's World. I highly suggest it, actually. It's definitely, they call it level 6. If you take all the bypasses, I call it 6. There's some pretty gnarly like side obstacles that you can do that make it a little bit more difficult. And to be fair, we did a bunch of those, and that's where people broke. But that was a really fun second day for UBB, United by Bronco 2024. Everyone out here is having a great time. Beautiful weather this year. I mean, the weather is absolutely gorgeous. And I think everyone's having a good time. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want to see more UBB and more fun videos like this, more off-roading, I'm having fun doing these trails again. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys at the next waypoint.